is Anggita Putri. I am student English Education Study Program 2022 of University PGRI Dirgantara. Welcome to my final project for the Sintax course today. First of all, I will tell us what is syntax. So, what is syntax? Syntax is study of how words are arranged to form meaningful sentences and focus on three things. The first structures is how words combine into phrases and clauses. The second rules is the rules that dictate this arrangement. The last hierarchy is how smaller units like words are part of large structures like phrases and sentences. Syntax is like a roadmap for understanding how language works. For example, in the sentence, the cat is frightened by the noise. Okay, let's move to analysis with syntax using tree diagram. Let's begin with the sentence, the cat is frightened by the noise. This is the present tense. Subject as the cat is the receiver of the action. Next, verb phrase as is frightened includes the auxiliary verb and the main verb in its participle form. The last, prepositional phrase as by the noise shows the agent or the cause of the action. The structure of the sentence can be divided into two main components. The first is NP or noun phrase as the subject. The second, VP or verb phrase as the predicate or action. At the highest level, the sentence is represented by S, which means sentence, and divides into two components. The first, NP, noun phrase, as the subject for the sentence, the cat. The second, VP or verb phrase, as the predicate for the sentence is frightened by the noise. Here, the basic structures. S for sentence. NP as noun phrase. VP or verb phrase. Next, the noun phrase or NP is the subject of the sentence. It consists of two components. The first, art or article for the sentence, the specifies the noun. The second, an or noun for the sentence, cat is the main noun or head of the phrase. The structure of the NP is NP or noun phrase, art or article is the, and N for noun is cat. Next, Analyze the verb phrase or VP, which contains the action and related information. The VP in this sentence is frightened by the noise. It has three main components. The first, auxiliary verb or aux, using tense, present tense, which is, and be plus an as indicates the passive voice. The second main verb or VT we call verb transitive, is the base verb for the sentence frightened is transformed into frightened in its past participle form. The third prepositional phrase or PP for the sentence by the noise explain the agent or source of the action. Here's how the VP is structured. VP or verb phrase have three components: auxiliary, verb transitive or VT, and PP or prepositional phrase. Now, let's break down the prepositional phrase or PP. The PP starts with a preposition or pre for the sentence by, which introduces the agent. It also includes a noun phrase or NP, have two components. The first, art or article for the sentence the. The second is an or noun for the sentence noise. The structure of the PP is PP or prepositional phrase using pre is by, NP or noun phrase have art is article for the, and noun for the noise. Finally, let's combine everything into the complete tree diagram for the sentence. The cat is frightened by the noise. Here's the full structure. This diagram shows the hierarchical structure of the sentence step by step from the top level sentence note to its smallest components. Okay, let's move to summarize of the video. Syntax is the study of sentence structure and grammatical rules. Tree diagrams help us visualize how words and phrases connect to form sentences. For example, the cat is frightened by the noise. We identified its component, including the subject, verb phrase, and prepositional phrase, and combined them into a complete tree diagram. Thank you so much for watching this final project. I hope it has helped you understand syntax and tree diagram better. See you next video.